Hey guys, my name is Jen and welcome back to my channel. This week's video, wait for it, we are going to do a full wardrobe clean out. Let's have a look at my wardrobe. So we are in my bedroom. Now we have all clothes up here. All these are full to the brim because I have a shopping addiction. And like, look at all them. All these clothes I need to go through. Same down there, more drawers and more down there. So the plan of action, I am going to go through drawer by drawer and just get rid of stuff that I don't wear anymore. I'm going to be really strict now with myself here because I have so much clothes in there that I haven't worn for years. So I'm just going to get rid of everything. Full on clear out. New year, new mind, new wardrobe. While I'm doing that, watching a bit of cheeky Grey's Anatomy. Very exciting. And also, normally, whenever I vlog, you might see me cleaning my room. I've done it multiple times because a lot of clothes end up kind of down the end of my bed. I've cleared out all those, so they're no longer down there, but they're on top of my bed. And they're probably the stuff I wear the most often, and that's how they end up down there. I'm going to leave them on my bed for now, and I'm going to start with going through the hanging up stuff and getting rid of stuff that I won't wear, etc. Just so I can start there because I don't really want to take everything out, which is what I've done before. I've taken everything out and just dumped it on the floor and then put it all back. I can't be doing that. Here and then here as well. Just so I have a bit of structure, and then I'm going to do drawer by drawer. I'm going to start on the right hand side. I'm going to start with these. But before I do that, I'm just going to get changed. Boom. Okay, so all ready to go. This is my tie-dyed shirt that I tie-dyed myself at camp, and then I just have leggings and they're just so comfortable. Okay, so let's start with this side. Let's go. This is what we have so far. It's a pretty big mess. This was all stuff that I had like stacked in the drawer over there, kind of under the clothes that was no space for. This is stuff I'm going to get rid of. This is stuff that was down the side of my bed, and this is stuff I need to try on and see whether they will fit or not. Where I am so far, still watching Grey's. But on that, it does look a bit cleaner, as in like, look at this. I have a good amount of space here, and on this side I didn't really get rid of much because I kind of use a lot of them. Okay, it's a big mess. I need to clean this up. Oh my gosh, my brain. Update. I went through all this. Look, all my pantses are here. Went through very nice, very happy with it. And over on this side I'm going to have all hoodies and jumpers and knitted stuff, etc. But right now, this is what we're looking at. Have a bundle of all my hoodies that I have no idea where to put. More hoodies up there. I have some tracksuit pantses and other stuff here. This has reduced down a small bit. Currently on my second episode of Grey's Anatomy. Also in here, look how gorgeous this looks now. This is what I did. All my jeans here, all my skirts here, and I have some interview pants there then. This side is looking not too bad. I also then have this. I haven't put stuff in yet, so I'm going to put some hoodies or tracksuit pants in there. I'm just a bit confused as to where I'm going to put all of these hoodies. Where did they go? I don't know. That is the issue, because the other side of my wardrobe is absolutely full unless I hang stuff up. I also have these hooks over here that I've been using, so I'm going to put some up there as well. I'll put my most used ones up there, I'd say, and then the rest I'm going to have to find somewhere. That's where I am at the moment. I have a bag here, an empty bag of stuff to get rid of. I have a full bag out there. I think I'm just going to do this side today and then do this side tomorrow and Friday, because I don't see myself getting all this done, because later I have a gender reveal party for my cousins, so it's very exciting, and they're all coming here, so I need to get prepared for that, and I need to just sort out my life. So this is where I am at now. We'll see what happens next. Good morning. So it's the next day now, and as I said yesterday, I have one side completely done. This all done, drawers done. I actually have that done too. The only thing I don't have done is up here, but that's going to be for another day. So I've already went through the top of getting rid of stuff, and I put stuff in there. So it's kind of mainly the drawers, but that's the bit I'm kind of worried about because there are so many. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 drawers, and I just have so much stuff in them. Oh, I'm actually dreading it. I'm going to start from the bottom actually, because the bottom is the one I don't use the most, and work my way up. I think I'm going to move my little cube there. I think I'm going to move that because it's kind of in the way. Hopefully I'll get rid of loads and have loads of space and feel so much better after this.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah.
Okay, so this is done. Everything's sorted. And we have this is also done. Again, everything's sorted. Ignore those clothes. Then I've emptied out this one and got rid of a pile of stuff I want to get rid of. Now, but what we have on the floor is a whole situation. We got this. So this is kind of t-shirts and stuff. So these are all like my t-shirts. We have my layers over here. So long sleeved and short sleeved and stuff you wear under stuff. Over here we have summer stuff / going out tops that I could wear. And then this is stuff I'm getting rid of. Okay, plan of action. I'm gonna start, I think what I might do is have one drawer for summer clothes and the other drawer for just normal clothes. So I might have my summer clothes in the middle drawer here, as well as all the like tops and stuff that I could wear going out. And then on the top drawer, I think I'm gonna have all my t-shirts and stuff, etc. Why am I doing this to myself? And now it's all on the floor, so I have to do it. I'm so tired. This is actually draining. But in the meantime, I'm actually listening to this podcast. It's called the Adult Life Podcast, and I'm currently listening to their episode about imposter syndrome. It's actually very interesting. You should definitely check that out. So yeah, I'm just going to continue with this and hope I get it done soon because I'm so tired. And I have a meeting at 3 o'clock. What time is it now? It's now 2:05, so I'm going to see how much I can get done within 55 minutes. Hopefully I'll get the rest of it done. Please, let's do this. We got this. We got this. Jen, we got this. Day 3 of working on my wardrobe. You know, I could have got this done in a day, but I've just been doing other things. So here we are, 3 days in to clearing a wardrobe, which should have only taken a day. I know, don't even talk to me. Our update, okay, so wait till you hear this. Basically done. The wardrobe is done. Now, I didn't do anything else today. I did the majority of it yesterday, but I didn't film. But I'm not exactly done, but this part is done. So let's show you here. Okay, so as you said, this was already done anyway, but look at this. Bam, beauty, all these clothes. Like before, I used to fit this many clothes in here. The only thing I haven't done is my underwear drawer because that's just a whole day in itself. Here, look, wow. So this is my summer clothes and like nice going out clothes and stuff. Look, extra space. Look at that. Then, boom, workout gear. Yeah. Love it. So nice. And then down here we kind of have a bit of work gear and look, extra space. So yes, it is done. Now what we have left is this bundle of clothes down here that I must put into this bag, and I also need to go through and try on some stuff from that. Then if we come out here and we'll see, this is one bag full of stuff that I'm getting rid of. So there we have it, a full wardrobe clean out. Took me 3 days, but yeah, look at us go. I feel great. I feel detox, ready to buy new clothes. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not, because I post videos every Sunday at 7 p.m. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.